a damaging effect on a wrong use of plastics. I'd like you to imagine a world that we are living right now. Smell of morning breeze everywhere, very clean streets and surrounded with plants and trees. Crystal clear Pasig River, full of marine life and bluish color of the Manila Bay Sea that looks like Boracay Beach that we could take a swim. And I like you to imagine the opposite. Foul smell everywhere, smog color outside your home, permanent flooding everywhere, dead river and sea, molested forest. In short, air, water, and land pollution that is likely we were heading to a grim reality right now. If we do not take any immediate and drastic action right now. I want to say this to all of you that it is a challenging and complicated but not an impossible task for us all. I'll be discussing you one of the root causes of the problem. The wrong use of material we call plastic. First, let me tell you some facts about plastics. Did you know that plastic is an engineered man-made material? Most plastics can either be synthetic or bio-based. Synthetic plastics are made up from polymer and petroleum oil, while the newer bio-based plastics come from renewable products such as carbohydrates, starch, vegetable oils, bacteria, and other organic substances. But the common type of plastic is synthetic because of the cheaper way of producing. Both types of plastic are pliable and can be easily shipped. Is plastic a necessary material for our society? Of course it is. We use plastics every day and everywhere. From plastic bags, toothbrush, shampoo bottle, TV casing, car dashboard, and even computer and smartphone motherboards, parts of many and many more. We use plastics as aid for our progress, convenience, comfort, and even our health. Intel company uses plastic to dye their powerful silicon chips on plastic wafers like the i7 and i9. NASA use plastics to insulate important components to their space rockets and spaceships. Uratex brand uses plastic to produce foam beds that we lay to sleep in. Pfizer company uses plastic to package medicines and even store COVID-19 vaccines. For these reasons, it is hard to ignore the advantages and importance of plastics. As you know, not all plastics materials are intended for long-term use like those I told you earlier. Do you know the 1,000 peso bill, car dashboards, and other home appliances that we use are the ones that are being used to their potential? But sadly, there are many plastics that are intended for one-time use like shampoo sachet, disposable spoon and fork, styro food packaging, plastic bags, plastic cups, plastic straws, and more so. Even those bubble wraps from the packaging from Lazada and Shopee. These are the usual suspects for causing sewer clogs, river and water pollution, and even the death of marine animals. These are the plastics that are thrown and wrongly disposed of. Whether we recycle them or dispose them properly, scientists say that there are still tiny elements or microplastic that are retained to the environment that is hard to break down and decay to its natural state. We should all be concerned with this damaging effect on our environment. This will be our dilemma. Do we opt not to use plastic and decline progress, comfort, and convenience that it brings? Or do we just continue to accept the effects that it brings to us? We can do better. we can lessen this detrimental effect that are caused by the use of plastic. We can use some alternative materials like organic and non-organic materials. These organic materials came from the natural sources like wood, metal, glass, rubber, etc. While the non-organic materials are those synthetic and man-made materials like acrylic, carbon fiber, PVC, and other types of plastic. But if we exclusively rely on using organic materials, like cutting trees and turning the wood into paper, we might exhaust all the resources until it's all gone. We even left a heavy carbon footprint that is hard to justify and revert back. Onto this rapid modernization and globalization, it is hard to imagine that we should avoid using plastics. But we can minimize the harmful effects on using plastics. Because plastics are now part of our daily lives, we should now be following aware that plastics cannot decay naturally. We should have our growing concern about the waste and pollution that we are creating. We should not throw plastic cups or any type of trash anywhere and learn how to properly dispose them. We should avoid using styro packaging. We should just bring our own eco bag on grocery and supermarkets. We should avoid buying and using individually packed shampoo and just buy bottles and refills. We should reduce, reuse, recycle, and advocate. We should learn how to respect Mother Nature.